along. This is my magic box. So today we are going to make a bird with my magic box. Meet my magic box. So these are the stuff we got to need. Gum sticks, tape, scissors, this knife and ice cream stick. So let us keep our magic box away here. So now we got some sheets of papers. Now first we will draw wings. We need to take two papers for two wings, right wing and left wing. You can also trace here, then cut it. It will be more quick. So now our two wings are ready. Let's now prepare the body. I will draw on this sheet. See, now I'm done making our bird. We need two pieces as the two wings. So now we need something to attach the wings to make it fly like this bird. So let's do with this white paper now. So first we are going to draw something as V along. So now I have folded, so let us put tape to make it strong. Now we have stick this tape. So now we are going to stick this together to flap like this. Flap the wings of the bird. Just like this. Now we are going to attach each wing to the body part. So now let's fold this wings a little bit so it can fly. So now we are going to stick this like this and one more like this. So we can hold it. So now we are going to attach the strings to the wings. Strings wings. Now our bird is ready. Flap, flap, fly.